Kieran's committed the ultimate heresy to our beloved Primarch, Robute Guilliman. Let's have a look at what he did and what on earth possessed him to do it.
You sound so mad. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Kieran Show. Here we are again. We haven't done a talking video in quite some time.
No, we've been doing the doings. We've been painting.
Playing?
No, we haven't been talking. We've just said that.
Yeah, we haven't been talking at all. We've been painting and playing and doing all the other things that we like to do.
Yeah,
as
we've
well as there's other things.
done a lot of painting. We've got 2 painting videos.
Yeah,
One on
absolutely right.
Azrael and one on Vastral.
Because we're halfway through Arcs of Omen already. Can you believe it?
I know.
And full disclosure, bit of a side note, I'm obsessed with the 4th book. Everyone's all
You've
like...
been fully infected with the townness.
Everyone's like, woo, lion, lion, lion. The Farsight model is unbelievable.
Why lion for?
Yeah, no, the lion does it great. He would look better as Luther.
No.
I'm not even mad. Everything deserves a conversion in its own
Such
right.
a troll.
I am a troll, I love it. Yeah, so, well, I mean...
Let's talk about the...
We're talking heresy, people.
Like I say, in between painting Vastral, you've managed to do other things. So tell all the people what you did to their beloved person that is awful.
I've outraged the entire community. It was one of our first ever videos. I maybe planted the seed that you could turn Robute Guilliman into the most hated character in Warhammer 30k, 40k, Warhammer, in Erebus.
Hate that guy.
Yeah, most people do, and rightly so. The guy is a bit of a troll. He is probably the reason that we have Warhammer 30,000 and 40,000.
He is the Warhammer.
He is the Warhammer. Yeah, it was his fault.
Age of Sigmar, Erebus.
You know what? I sort of appreciate it.
Necromunda, Erebus.
Yeah, probably.
Middle-earth strategy battle game, Erebus.
Probably. Yeah, Erebus, Denethor, they're the same person.
Do you reckon they both eat tomatoes in a really weird way?
Absolutely right. Erebus eats children, though, not tomatoes. But at least this Erebus does. Yeah, so as far as I was concerned, like I wanted to commit the ultimate heresy on Robute Guilliman. Just from what I'd seen anyway over the last few years, like I'd never seen an insane kitbash on him.
Because he's perfect already!
He's not.
Pardon his face.
I'm one of these people, full disclosure, that I'm not... I don't get the Imperium. I don't get the hype. I think they're like a weird cult fascist regime that just... No!
What, the Tower any different?
The greater good.
They're not from Cornwall!
It's Bristol. It's a Bristol accent. Big up the West Country. That's what you did.
Call back to that,
yeah, big call back to old videos. Yeah, so I mean, I wanted to convert him into something demonic. So I maybe experimented with a bit of like some chaos bits and maybe turning him into a demon prince of some sort or something. Initially, I was thinking Dornian heresy, but then I think we discussed like the Ultramarines probably wouldn't fall to chaos. That'd be stupid.
No, they're the good boys.
They are the goodest of boys, which makes me sick. So I decided to turn him into the worst boy known to man.
I was going to say,
in the Warhammer universe.
You scrape the barrel for... Can I find the worst character known to the whole of the Warhammer community?
And what better month to do it than in the month of March? The March for McCrag.
You mean the Nick Baton month?
The month of Nick Baton. I pitched it to Nick. He hated it.
Yeah, but he still retweeted it.
He did retweet it. No, I think... he hates the idea through and through for sure, but he did retweet it, which was obviously really lovely of him. But yeah,
you fully went for March on McCrag, not for McCrag.
I just stomped it, curb stomp McCrag. That's my.
You know what you need to do to complete the March on McCrag, on your now thing of March on McCrag. You need to go and listen / read to No Fear. It's where wordbearers attack the Ultramarines.
You know what I mean? Anything that's stomping the Ultramarines, I'm in. And that's why I really like Siege of Terror at the moment, actually, because they're
not in it.
They're not in it. Good.
Just a side note.
You're too late.
Siege of Terror. I've been going for the 100% completionist for doing the whole of the Horus Heresy before doing Siege. Finally onto Siege. My God, Rogel Dawn is the biggest fool of everybody. But I like him for it.
He is cool. You know what? I think my first taste of Rogel Dawn was Flight of the Eisenstein, when Nathaniel Garrow essentially carried the storyline to Terra. He was an absolute boss. Anyone that doesn't like Garrow, you're an idiot.
Garrow was cool.
It's so cool. And Dawn was just like, no.
Worse,
Loser.
Bloody Oilerton in a prison. How dare you bring me tidings of illness and heresy and actually tell me things that I need to know. Get in the bin.
My brothers are good. Idiot. All of the Primarchs are idiots, to be fair, in their own right. Maybe not Sanguinius.
Do you think it's just like
bad.
Like a nepotism conflict inside him because Sigismund's better than him?
I definitely think that's the case for Sigismund and Dawn. I think because Sigismund is out and out better than Dawn.
He's
everyone knows it. Even the Emperor was like, "Here's the sword." Yeah,
it makes me laugh. Like Sigismund is just what a boy.
Yeah,
he's a better Rogel Dawn than Rogel Dawn is.
Yeah, he is. And you know what? I think that's like quite sort of poignant through the Horus Heresy anyway. Like the Primarchs are like cool, I guess they are quite cool. But all of their like first captains or chapter master equivalent really are better.
Favourite Primarch? Favourite Primarch? Go.
I think that's really hard.
Choose your words carefully.
I think it's Magnus, but he's an idiot.
Hashtag
maybe
did nothing wrong there.
Jagatai Khan.
Oh really?
I think he's
well,
wicked.
That's suspense, and you pick him. Okay.
I think he's wicked. Really like Jagatai Khan. Who's yours?
The Lion.
Ah, of course. Dark Angels. He's got Dark Angels.
The Lion or Bird Boy, Sanguinius. Although he's starting to grate on me in the siege. I know how I die, and it's not today.
Trust me, that will turn right around.
We get it. We get it. Big Horus is going to kill you.
For everyone that's up to date on the Horus Heresy, you know that Kieran's wrong.
Well, I haven't got there yet.
No, you will. And Sanguinius is
Bird Boy's got a power up.
He's unbelievable come the end. He is unreal.
Does he not turn into Bird Person from Rick and Morty?
No, that was Vulcan, wasn't it? I am Bird Person. No, very, very different. He's like B-Tech Sanguinius, isn't he, really? Just not good.
Anyway, back to Erebus.
We've definitely been on a tangent. It was a huge raid for the bits box for this one. There's stuff like Easy Build Assault Intercessors, there's bits from a Mauler Fiend, there's bits from a Chaos Sorcerer kit. There was a lot of cutting, a lot of shaving of all of the iconography and stuff. It was a good time.
You did have a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was.
He is, as much as it pains me to say it, he is really cool.
He's cool. Yeah, he is.
And it does make me laugh that he's the most hated character in all of Warhammer, yet he did really, really well on Reddit and Twitter.
Yeah, people seem to really like it, but I think it's because nobody's really done it before, which is
I've seen like one or two, but they're not on the level.
To be fair, I've never really seen a 40k version of Erebus. Because to my knowledge, he's still out there kicking about, which I think is nuts. Like,
I thought he was dead.
No, he's not dead. I checked. Before
he should be dead.
He should, yeah, arguably he should be. But no, apparently he's still kicking about. Apparently there's like some certain like crusades and stuff. He's appeared with like word bearers and a group of demons. Turns up, kills some people, runs away again. Yeah, he's like the ultimate maggot. But yeah, respect it.
Well,
if you're gonna live for 10,000 years, respect it.
You did a very good job.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it was
the hand coming out. I did not want to see the proper demon on the end of that.
Yeah, like proper necromancer vibes. It was very, very cool to paint, very cool to build. Definitely the most fun I've had with the kitbash in some time. If you've got any suggestions for any other crazy heretical kitbashes, let me know.
I think you know what I think you should do. I think you should do a Sigismund 40k kitbash.
Oh. He's not a Primarch though. It's very, very easy to do with like the Emperor's Champion or something. Like
yeah, but Sigismund's cooler.
Well, he was the first Emperor's Champion, wasn't he? Very cool.
Maybe. He is the Emperor's Champion.
Maybe I'll just turn the Lion into Luther.
No, well, no.
But yeah, if you're interested in making an Erebus of your own, go over to our Element Games affiliate link. Go buy yourself a Robute Guilliman. Go buy yourself a Mauler Fiend kit. Go buy yourself an Assault Intercessor kit. Don't buy all those things, it's crazy. But definitely go and buy something because it helps out the channel. Yep.
We can buy snazzy new lenses, and we bought a boom arm this week.
We did buy a boom arm. We're so professional at this point. Yeah, so keep liking, keep subscribing, and we will see you next time.
Catch you later.